To add a logo to your Wix website header, start by logging into your Wix account and accessing your website editor. From the editor, click on the Add button in the top menu bar and select Image from the drop-down menu. Next, select the Upload Your Own option and choose the logo file from your computer. Make sure your logo is in a suitable format such as PNG or JPEG and is optimized for web use. After uploading your logo, click on the Add to Site button and drag the logo to the header area of your website. You can adjust the size and position of the logo by using the resize handles and the alignment options to ensure your logo is responsive and looks good on different devices. Make sure to set the logo to scale with the header. You can do this by clicking on the logo and selecting the settings icon. Then choosing the scale option. Best practice is to keep your logo simple, recognizable and consistent with your brand identity. Also, make sure your logo is not too large or too small compared to the other elements in your header. In addition to adding a logo, you can also customize the header by changing the background color, adding a navigation menu or social media links. To do this, click on the header button in the top menu bar and select the settings icon. From the header settings, you can choose from a range of pre-designed header templates or customize your own header layout. You can also add or remove elements, change the layout and style, and adjust the spacing and padding. By following these steps, you can easily add a logo to your Wix website header and customize the header to match your brand identity and website design. This will help to create a professional and cohesive look for your website and establish your brand presence online.